Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, madam. Today, I would like to present my individual assignment for TPT251, which is about air transportation in Indonesia, focusing on Garuda, Indonesia. Air transportation is very important in Indonesia because the country consists of thousands of islands. Airlines help connect people, goods and services between different regions efficiently and quickly. One of the main airlines in Indonesia is Garuda Indonesia, which is the national flag carrier established in 1949. Garuda Indonesia plays an important role in supporting tourism, business activities and economic growth in Indonesia through both domestic and international flights. Next, we move to the characteristics. Garuda Indonesia has several important characteristics that make it one of the leading airlines in Indonesia. Firstly, the airline has a wide route network that connects many major cities in Indonesia with international destinations in Asia, Australia, and the Middle East. This helps improve connectivity for passengers and cargo transportation. Secondly, Garuda Indonesia operates modern Boeing and Airbus aircraft. The company places strong emphasis on safety, operational efficiency, and maintenance to ensure smooth flight operations. In addition, Garuda Indonesia is well known for its high-quality customer service and hospitality. The airline promotes Indonesian culture through cabin services and in-flight experience. The company also uses advanced technology systems for reservation, communication, flight monitoring, and customer management. One of the main advantages of Garuda Indonesia is its strong reputation as a trusted and reliable airline. The company is known for maintaining high safety standards and professional customer service, which increase passenger confidence and satisfaction. Besides that, Garuda Indonesia contributes positively to Indonesia's tourism industry by providing good domestic and international connectivity. The airline also helps create job opportunities and supports international trade and business activities. However, Garuda Indonesia also faced several disadvantages and challenges. One major issue is the high operational cost, especially for aviation fuel, aircraft maintenance, and employee salaries. These costs can affect the company's financial performance. Other than that, flight delays and operational disruptions caused by weather conditions, technical issues, or airport congestion may reduce customer satisfaction. Environmental pollution from carbon emissions is also one of the major challenges faced by the airline industry today. Next, infrastructure and networks. Garuda Indonesia has strong aviation infrastructure to support its operations. Its main hub is Soekarno-Hatta International Airport in Jakarta, which provides modern facilities such as terminals, baggage handling systems, cargo services, and air traffic control. The airline also has aircraft maintenance and engineering facilities to ensure safety and reliability of operations. Besides that, Garuda Indonesia uses digital system for ticketing, flight planning, operational monitoring, and customer service. In terms of network strategy, the airline cooperates with international airline alliances and aviation companies. This helps strengthen passenger and cargo transportation between domestic and international destinations. Next, the policy. One important policy implemented by Garuda Indonesia is aviation safety policy based on regulations from the Indonesian government and ICAO. These policies require airlines to conduct aircraft inspections, pilot training, and safety management systems to maintain international safety standards. Then, the issues. Garuda Indonesia faced several issues in its operations. One of the biggest issues is high operational costs due to fuel prices, maintenance expenses, and airport charges. The airline also faced strong competition from low-cost airlines such as Lion Air and Air Asia that offer cheaper ticket prices. In addition, flight delays, airport congestion, technical problems, and environmental pollution are challenges that affect the company's efficiency and customer satisfaction. Garuda Indonesia has several important stakeholders involved in its operations. Firstly, government agencies such as the Ministry of Transportation and Directorate General of Civil Aviation regulate aviation policies and ensure safety compliance. Secondly, transport operators including Garuda Indonesia itself, CityLink, and airport operators help support flight operations and airport management. Passengers are also major stakeholders because they are the main consumers of airline services. Their expectations for safety, comfort, and punctuality directly affect the company's reputation. Environmental groups such as WWF and Greenpeace encourage the airline to implement sustainable practices and reduce carbon emissions. Lastly, local communities and organizations near airports are also stakeholders because airline operations affect employment opportunities, local businesses, and environmental conditions. For the case study, Garuda Indonesia faced a major scandal in 2019 involving the smuggling of a Harley-Davidson motorcycle and Brompton bicycles inside a newly delivered aircraft from France to Indonesia. Investigations showed that the undeclared luxury goods were connected to the CEO of Garuda Indonesia, Ari Askara. As a result, the Indonesian government dismissed him from his position for violating customs regulations and abusing authority. This scandal negatively affected the company's reputation and reduced public trust toward Garuda Indonesia. It also caused management instability and disrupted organizational coordination because the company had to focus on the internal investigations and restructuring. Due to the case study, several recommendations can help Garuda Indonesia avoid similar issues in the future. Firstly, the company should strengthen corporate governance policies and implement stricter ethical standards for management and employees. Secondly, Garuda Indonesia should improve cargo inspection systems and internal audits to ensure compliance with customs and aviation regulations. Besides that, regular ethics and integrity training should be conducted for employees and management. The company should also increase transparency and cooperate closely with government authorities to maintain public trust and improve its corporate image. In conclusion, Garuda Indonesia plays an important role in Indonesia's air transportation industry by supporting tourism, trade, and economic development. The airline has several strengths such as strong reputation, quality customer service, and extensive operational networks. However, the company also faces challenges including high operational costs, competition, and environmental issues. With proper management, advanced technology, and sustainable strategies, Garuda Indonesia can continue improving its performance and remain competitive in the aviation industry. Thank you.